Hello everyone, welcome back to Creation DY. Today, I'll be sharing 15 secret functions of a nail clipper that even MacGyver himself never thought of. The hidden secrets of this nail clipper will change the way you see this simple tool, because it turns out, it has more uses than you could ever imagine. Now, let's start with the first function. You probably know that the blades on a nail clipper are very sharp, and they can be dangerous if a child accidentally plays with it, as it might cause injury. To make it safer, you can activate the safety mode on this nail clipper. Simply press this part and push it forward. The blades will automatically close and lock in place, making it much safer for children to hold. Function number 2. Never use scissors or try to pluck your nose hairs directly, as it can be dangerous and may cause irritation or infection. Instead, you can use a small-sized nail clipper, as long as it fits comfortably into your nostril. This method is safer, quicker, and much easier to do. Function number 3. Many people often strip cable insulation using scissors, but this method is not recommended. When you use scissors, the copper strands inside the wire can easily get cut, which may cause unstable electrical current. Instead, you can use a nail clipper as a safer alternative. Simply unlock the front latch, clamp the cable with the clipper, and gently rotate it until the outer layer is sliced, then pull it off. This technique is simple, effective, and keeps the copper strands inside perfectly intact. Function number 4. When doing daily activities, whether working or cleaning the house, we sometimes accidentally get tiny splinters, small pieces of metal, wood, or even glass stuck in our hands. These tiny objects can be very difficult to remove once they get under the skin. Instead of immediately going to the doctor, you can use a nail clipper as a simple extraction tool. Use the tip of the clipper to gently grip and pull out the small object stuck in your skin. Be very careful and avoid pressing too hard, as this might cut or push the splinter deeper instead of removing it. Function number 5. When we hold a smartphone for too long, our hands can start to feel sore or tired. Here's a simple trick. You can turn your nail clipper into a small phone stand. Just open the clipper, adjust the handle like this, and it instantly becomes a mini smartphone holder that keeps your device steady. It's quick, practical, and perfect for watching videos hands-free. Where are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to see where everyone's tuning in from. It's amazing to know that we can connect with people from all around the world. When mosquito season arrives, we often rely on mosquito coils to keep them away. But one common problem is that the metal stand for the coil always seems to disappear, leaving us wondering where to place it. Instead of searching for a replacement, you can use a nail clipper as an alternative stand. Simply adjust the clipper's position like this, then insert the mosquito coil into the tip. It works surprisingly well, sturdy, safe, and convenient to use anytime. This is the 6th function you can use. Function number 7. In an emergency, a nail clipper can be surprisingly useful, especially if you often fix or repair things. It can serve as a temporary screwdriver when you don't have one available at home. Simply use the flat edge of the nail clipper to tighten or loosen small screws. Function 8. I've brought a padlock that we often use to lock gates and doors. Imagine if you lost the key to this padlock. You'd be confused because you couldn't get into the house. What's special about this book cutter is that it can be used as an emergency key. Use the thin, pointed end of a nail clipper and insert it into the rotating padlock hole as if you were opening a padlock with a key. Disclaimer: This method only works for cheap, low-quality padlocks. As a warning, replace your padlock immediately with a better quality one for greater security. Function number 9. For those who love fishing, I highly recommend keeping a nail clipper in your tackle box. This small tool can be surprisingly useful while fishing, as it can easily and quickly cut fishing lines whenever needed. Function number 10. You can use the nail clipper to cut loose or hanging threads on your clothes. It works almost the same as a small sewing scissor, but the nail clipper is much more practical and commonly available at home, unlike sewing scissors which are usually only owned by tailors. Function number 11. Nowadays, online shopping has become a part of our daily life. Every time we shop online, the seller usually packs the items tightly to keep them safe. You can use the sharp metal tip found on the nail clipper to open your packages easily. It's much more practical and safer than using scissors or knives, which can easily slip and cause injury. Function number 12. You probably have important documents at home that are usually stapled to keep multiple sheets together. If you try to remove the staples forcefully, the paper can tear and damage your documents. You can use the pointed tip of a nail clipper to remove the staples easily. Simply use the tip to bend the staples, allowing you to lift them without tearing the paper. This method can also be applied to envelopes or any paper collections that have multiple staples. When you want to bend small metal pieces, the usual tool is a pair of pliers. However, if you don't have pliers, avoid trying to bend the metal with your fingers, as this could injure your fingers or even damage your nails. As an alternative, you can use the hole at the tip of the nail clipper to bend the metal. Simply insert the metal into the hole and bend it as needed. The nail clipper is strong enough to bend small pieces of metal commonly used for crafts, making it a safe and effective substitute for pliers, while producing neat and precise bends. Function number 14. Often, we come across drink bottles with caps that are difficult to open. The nail clipper's lever-like part can be used to easily and quickly open the bottle cap without requiring much effort. When trimming your nails, small clippings often scatter everywhere, dirtying your bed, room, or even your sofa. To prevent this, you can apply tape on both sides of the nail clipper. The tape will hold the clippings in place, and thanks to its adhesive surface, the tiny pieces will stick, making it much easier to clean up afterward. And if you know any other secret functions of this nail clipper that I haven't shown yet, feel free to share them in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit the subscribe button now and join our community, because we have many more exciting ideas to share with you. Press the like button if you found this video helpful. Share these secret tips with your friends and family. Who knows, they might find them useful too. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and see you in the next video.